All Indian passengers traveling overseas may not get entry in the European Union, and the reason is the vaccine passport. So, like several states in India have made it mandatory for you to produce a negative RT-PCR test or a vaccination certificate to gain entry. Similarly, several nations and countries are introducing a vaccine passport which needs to be shown by international passengers upon entering a foreign nation. So, a vaccine passport or an immunity passport is a documentary proof that the person traveling to the foreign nation is vaccinated against COVID-19. The vaccine passport is fast becoming a necessity for people who wish to start traveling again. In March this year, China introduced a digital vaccine passport, giving authorities the ability to check the vaccination status of any passenger just by scanning a QR code. Japan announced a similar digital vaccine passport in April, and the UK announced the launch of a vaccine passport in May. The European Union too backed up a digital green certificate allowing people to travel across its 27 member countries. This digital green certificate basically includes a list of vaccines which are approved by the European Union, and you also need to show a negative COVID test result. There are 3 vaccines which are approved in India: Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik V, with the major load falling upon Covishield and Covaxin. Now, while Covaxin is not approved by the World Health Organization yet, Covishield has not been included in the European Union's Green Pass certificate. Now, here is where the problem starts. Now, Covaxin has not yet been approved by the World Health Organization, and Covishield, on the other hand, has not been included by the European Union in its Green Pass. What it basically means is that travelers vaccinated with Covishield in India will not get entry into the European Union because it's not included in the Green Pass. Now, while Covaxin is yet to get approval from the WHO, it has been individually approved by several countries. But if you're traveling to Europe or America, Covaxin inoculation will not make you eligible for a vaccine passport. Now, this is the situation as of today. As far as Russia's Sputnik V is concerned, it is approved by the WHO. Now, in response to the European Union's stand, the manufacturers of Covishield, Serum Institute of India's CEO Adar Poonawalla stated that they are in talks with authorities and the situation will be resolved soon.